Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So what's the best marketing you can do? It reminds me of when I was talking to my dad. He had exercise, different kinds of exercise during his life. And one day we were talking about it and we said, I said, well, what's the best exercise, do you think? And Dad said, the one you'll stick with. That guy was smart. It made a lot of sense. I remembered that, and it made a lot of sense. And it applies to lots of different things, right? Because marketing, if you're, you hear so many people doing all kinds of things, and there are wonderful things, all kinds of marketing that you can do, right? And it also helps, number two, to combine several kinds of marketing, right? It's not just calling, it's stopping by, it's direct mail, there's phone call. I mean, there's lots of things you can do. And the more the merrier. It does help to have many different kinds of touches, because the more touches marketing-wise, we increase our chances of a response. But really, to remember this, if you pick some marketing steps that you'll stick with, that you either enjoy or that you have automated, so that it'll force you to stick to it. So either you enjoy it and you'll stick with it, or you have it automated and it'll make sure you stick with the steps. Those are the ones that'll really pay off. The once in a while things we do don't seem to pay off as much. It's the things we do as a habit repeatedly, right? That's the way it is with everything. Same thing in marketing your janitorial service. Figure out which steps you think you can really stick with. And if you put those in place, you're really ahead of the game. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.